Hello everyone. As GTG will be releasing soon the new version 0.5, I thought about remaking the video about repeating tasks. Well, my first video was a bit bad. The microphone was really terrible. So let's get on with showing you how to use repeating task, or as GTG calls it, recurring tasks. Okay, so first of all, I'll show you the easy way. Well, let's say you have your first here, your get started tasks. Let's say we open this one. Well, as you can see here, we have a new button, which is a circular button. You can click on it and you will have the repeating task menu. As you can see here, we have a repeat. This is for enabling the task, and here we have options. For instance, daily, every other day. You can do weekly, and you can choose on this day or the day of the week. You have a lot of options. You can even do yearly. Okay, so the easiest way is to select it as daily, and as you can see, it got automatically enabled as repeating. So let me show you here. As you can see now, the due date is today, and you got a little icon that shows you that this task is repeating. Now, if I mark this task as done, you will take notes of the due date. It will change, and as you can see now, it became tomorrow. And if I do it a second time, you can see it's in 2 days. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's say you want this one to be every 10 monthly. Okay, so now as you can see here, we are 2. We are the 2nd of the month, and 10 is in 8 days. And if I mark it as done, you can see now it's the 10th day of the next month, which would be May. Okay, now you got another way of marking a task as repeating. For instance, you can right click on the task and come here at set recurring, and you have a little some options. Doesn't necessarily have all the options, but these are the most used ones, I would say. So let's say you want it every year. As you can see, it starts from today, and if I mark it as done, it will be 2022. Okay, so now let me show you the best way I think you should create your task as well as mark them as repeating. And it is very nice and very quick. You go to the quick add entry here, you can see here, and you name your task. Let's name it as the example, buy a new printer. Well, no, you wouldn't buy a new printer. You wouldn't buy. Well, they break often, so let's do that. Buy a new printer, and that would be every year. Okay, as you can see now, I would have to buy today. Mark it as done, and as you can see, it will each time it will increase by a year. Boom, and a second time, once again. As you can see, it increased. Okay, so let's talk about disabling tasks that are repeating now. Well, as you probably guess, you can come here and disable it. And when you enable it a second time, it will remember your recurring term, the term that you have set when you first put it as repeating. For instance, here every 2nd of April, and it will remember it when I reactivate it a second time. So let me show you now another way to disable them. You can right click and disable here. Okay, so I think that's it. I hope you like this new feature that will be coming in the 0.5 new version. Let me see here. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm running the dev version, and this is the 0.4, and next version will be 0.5. Sorry, I'm struggling there. Okay, so the next version will be 0.5, and it will be released very soon. Thank you very much for watching, and leave a like, subscribe, or whatever.